He is Barack's dad.
He is Barack's dad. هغه د Barack's پلار دی.
He is a rich man.
He is a rich man. هغه یو مالدار کس دی.
He has his own hotels and companies.
He has his own hotels and companies. هغه چې دی خپل هوټلونه او کمپنیانې لري.
Oh no. No way.
No way. نشي کېدلی.
You cannot do this.
You cannot do this. ته داسې نشي کولی.
Barack. Barack is on social media again.
Barack is on social media again. Barack په social media باندې دوباره دی.
Oh God.
Oh God. Oh خدایا.
God, when will he change?
When will he change? کله به هغه بدل شي.
He drives me crazy.
He drives me crazy. هغه ما لیونی کوي.
He has to tell me everything.
He has to tell me everything. هغه باید ما ته هر څه وایي. Has to مطلب باید.
I am a rich person.
I am a rich person. زه یو مالدار کس یم.
People talk about me.
People talk about me. خلک زما په باره کې خبرې کوي.
I have a high status in this city.
I have a high status in this city. زه اوچت سټیټس لرم په دې ښار کې.
I will talk to my son soon.
I will talk to my son soon. زه به خپل زوی سره ډېر ژر خبرې وکم.
I think Barack did something again.
I think Barack did something again. زما په خیال باندې Barack چې دی یو څه بیا وکړو دوباره.
He is on social media.
He is on social media. هغه په social media باندې دی.
He went to the disco with a girl.
He went to the disco with a girl. هغه لاړو د ډیسکو ته د یوې جینۍ سره. ډیسکو دا داسې یو رقم ته ځای دی چې کوم ځای کې مطلب ګډاګانې کېږي او شراب وي او داسې نور کارونه کېږي. هغې ته ډیسکو وایي.
My brother will mad at Barack.
My brother will mad at Barack. زما ورور به چې دی په Barack باندې غوسه شي. mad مطلب mad ورته هم وایي غوسه کېدل.
We all know Barack.
We all know Barack. موږ ټول Barack پیژنو.
My cousin will never change.
My cousin will never change. زما cousin به هیڅ کله چینج نشي. cousin د تره زوی شو یا د تره لوري شوله، ماما زوی، ماما لور، دې ټولو لپاره موږ cousin استعمالوو.
I have to help him.
I have to help him. زه باید د هغې سره مرسته وکړم.
I always do this.
I always do this. زه همیشتن داسې کوم.
He is coming here.
He is coming here. هغه دلته را روان دی.
You have to talk to Barack's father.
You have to talk to Barack's father. ته باید د Barack پلار سره خبرې وکړې.
I have to go now.
I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړ شم.
Take care, Dad.
Take care, Dad. په ځان باندې خیال ساته. خپل خیال ساته پلاره.
Sarah, what happened?
What happened? څه وشو؟
You look worried.
You look worried. ته اندېښمنه ښکارې.
Please tell me.
Please tell me. خیر دې راته ووایه.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? آیا ته ښه یې؟
What happened to you?
What happened to you? په تا باندې څه وشو؟
I am not okay.
I am not okay. زه ښه نه یم.
Amber, I could not deliver that cake.
I could not deliver that cake. ما نشو کولی چې هغه کیک زه deliver کړم.
My life is over.
My life is over. زما ژوند نور ختم شو.
My boss will fire me.
My boss will fire me. زما باس چې دی هغه ما د دندې څخه ایسته کړي، یعنې لرې به مې کړي.
What should I do now?
What should I do now? اوس باید زه څه وکړم؟
What are you trying to say?
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say مطلب وایي ته کوشش کې چې څه ووایې.
What happened, Sarah?
What happened, Sarah? څه وشو سارا؟
You were going to deliver that cake.
You were going to deliver that cake. ته خو تلې چې هغه کیک deliver کړې.
I could not deliver that cake.
I could not deliver that cake. ما نشو کولای چې کیک deliver کم.
A crazy person came in front of me.
A crazy person came in front of me. یو لیونی هلک زما مخې ته رالو، یو کس یعنی زما مخې ته رالو. came رالو in front of me زما مخې ته.
He was going to hit me by a car.
He was going to hit me by a car. هغې مطلب چې دی زه په یو موټر باندې وهلم. hit وهل.
I slipped and my cake fell down.
I slipped and my cake fell down. زه چې دی وښویدلم slipped and my cake fell down او زما کیک ولوېدلو. fell down مطلب ولوېدل.
He was a crazy person.
He was a crazy person. هغه یو لیونی کس و.
He thinks he can do anything.
He thinks he can do anything. هغه سوچ کولو چې هر څه کولای شي.
What?
What? So?
I am so sorry to hear that.
I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډېره خفه شوم چې دا مې واورېدل.
What did you do then?
What did you do then? بیا تاسو وکړو. بیا تاسو وکړو.
I talked to him.
I talked to him. ما دغه سره خبرې وکړې.
He was a rich person.
He was a rich person. هغه یو مالدار کس و.
He blamed me.
He blamed me. هغه په ما باندې تور ولګولو.
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it? آیا ته په دې باندې باور کولی شې؟
He was giving me money.
He was giving me money. هغه ما ته پیسې راکولې.
He thought I was a beggar.
He thought I was a beggar. هغه سوچ کولو چې زه چېرته مطلب غریب یم. beggar مطلب سوالګر ته اصل کې ویل کېږي. مطلب هغه فکر کولو چې زه یوه سوالګره یم.
I got angry.
I got angry. زه غصه شوم.
I broke his car's wipers.
I broke his car's wipers. ما د هغې د موټر wipers مات کړی. wipers ما تاسو ته ویلو چې کله د شیشه کې داسې دوه شیان وي په اران کې یا بل شی کې چې موږ یې صفا کوو را صفا کوو دې ته موږ wipers وایو.
He did not say sorry as well.
He did not say sorry as well. هغې بخښنه یعنې هم ونه ویله. معافي هم ونه کړه.
It was his fault.
It was his fault. دا د هغې غلطي وه.
You did great, my friend.
You did great. تا ښه وکړو.
You taught him a lesson.
You taught him a lesson. تا هغې ته یو سبق وښودلو.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. اندېښنه مه کوه.
It was not your fault.
It was not your fault. دا ستا غلطي نه وه.
What should I do now?
What should I do now? اوس باید زه څه وکړم.
My boss will fire me.
My boss will fire me. زما باس چې دی هغه ما د دندې یعنې د وظیفې څخه به مې لرې کړي.
I could not deliver that cake.
I could not deliver that cake. ما نشو کولی چې هغه کیک deliver کم.
Gamber. I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well. زه ښه احساس نه کوم.
What will happen?
What will happen? څه به وشي؟
Sir, you are still here.
You are still here. ته لا اوس هم دلته یې؟
That customer called me so many times.
That customer called me so many times. Customers مطلب هغه ګاهک چې دی ما ته ډېر زیات زنګونه وهل.
You were going to deliver that cake.
You were going to deliver that cake. تا خو هغه کیک ډلیور کولو مطلب لیږلو دی.
Where were you?
Where were you? ته چېرته وې؟
Where is that cake?
Where is that cake? هغه کیک چېرته دی؟
Why are you mute?
Why are you mute? ته ولې مطلب خاموش یې. mute دی خاموش یې یعنې څوک چې خبرې نه کوي.
I am asking something.
I am asking something. زه د یو څه پوښتنه کوم.
Oh no. What should I do now?
What should I do now? اوس باید زه څه وکړم.
Oh God, help me.
Oh God, help me. او خدای زما سره مرسته وکړه.